So we are planning a Mediterranean meal today, and the salad is essential part of a Mediterranean meal. I'm trying to make fattoush today. So basically I have chopped some cucumbers, tomatoes, red and yellow peppers. Then I'm going to use these iceberg lettuce also. I have my kubus, which I just baked it. So they are quite nice and crispy. I'm not going to fry it. And the seasoning what we need is, I have taken lemon juice from 1.5 lemon. Then we have this fattoush powder which we will use, and of course every salad needs olive oil. Okay, so let's get going. So in the lemon juice I'll be adding my powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon of this, and I'll be taking 1 teaspoon of olive oil also now. So that would be our seasoning. So here we go. We'll mix it. Show you easy way of making the crispy kubus. This is the kubus. I've just cut it into half, and then I'm just going to peel it off. Make 2 parts. Like this, and on this side one can apply butter. This is an optional step. If you don't want to apply butter, just put it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. So I'll just show you how it goes with applying the butter. So I'll just remove this part also. Okay, so now this is ready to go into microwave. Now we'll take these two and put it in the microwave. Now we will remove our kubus. As you can see, it took almost between 1 to 2 minutes. You can see how crispy it has become. So now you can actually break into pieces and ready to put it in a fattoush salad. Isn't this very easy way? And actually you can just eat it plain like this. This is butter kubus. Of course the butter is optional. After the kubus, crispy kubus, I'm going to show you one more ingredient which is called sumac. Basically this is an essential spice in Mediterranean food. They are berries, red color berries, and they are crushed into the powder. You can see it's a nice coarse powder. One can use this as a dry rub or as into the marinade. One can make a nice dip out of it. So fattoush requires this powder along with the pomegranate juice. So now let's start making fattoush. We will add all these veggies in a bowl. So I have added all the veggies. Cucumber, tomatoes, lettuce. Okay, I'll mix it. And this is the salad dressing which we're going to use now. We will toss it again. We have mixed with the salad dressing and have added salt, and this is going to be our crispy kubus. So these are like crumbs, and on top of that I will also be adding some olives here. So here we go, our salad is ready, our fattoush.